Welcome to this tutorial. This elegant design features 3 thin chains layered together, creating a sleek and modern minimal bracelet. It's simple, stylish, and perfect for everyday wear. Choose 2 different textures and sizes of chains to create a visually appealing contrast in your minimal layered bracelet design. The middle chain should be different in texture or size to highlight the layered effect and add stylish visual interest. Measure the 3 chains each about 7 inches long, adjusting slightly to create a natural layered look on your wrist. Use a plier cutter or sharp scissors to carefully cut the chains to your desired lengths for a clean, precise finish. For a minimal look, choose a thin, delicate chain that adds elegance without overpowering the design. Simple, sleek, and stylish. Repeat the same process with the other chains. Measure each one, carefully cut to the correct lengths, and prepare them for layering to achieve a balanced, minimal bracelet design. Make sure the middle chain is a different size and texture from the others, to create depth and visual interest in your triple-layered minimal bracelet design. Open a 2mm jump ring using flat nose pliers. Since we are using thin chains, this smaller jump ring keeps the design minimal and proportionate for a delicate finish. Insert the end of chain 1, then attach it to a closed jump ring. This acts as your connector. Repeat this for chain 2 and chain 3, attaching them side by side on the same connector jump ring. Make sure to place the chain with a different texture in the middle to highlight the layered effect and add interest. Close the jump ring securely. Repeat on the other side. Open a jump ring and insert it into the end of the first chain to begin attaching it to the connector ring. Attach the other ends of all 3 chains to the same jump ring, keeping the order consistent for a neat, layered look. Be patient and insert each chain carefully into the jump rings. Precision is key to achieving a clean, balanced look for your minimal layered bracelet design. Take your time. Lay the 3 chains flat in ascending order. Open another jump ring, attach it to the other ends of the chains, and connect them to a second closed jump ring. Attach the lobster clasp. Close it securely with pliers to ensure durability. Open the last jump ring and insert it into the jump ring connector to prepare for final closure. Check for any gaps in the jump rings or connections to ensure the bracelet is secure and won't come apart during wear. Tug gently on all closures to make sure everything is secure. Your beautiful minimal bracelet is now ready to wear, elegant, lightweight, and perfect for every day or layered with other pieces. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed making your bracelet. Stay creative and see you in the next project.